Can AI really tell you how much your home is worth? You've seen those online estimates, but how accurate are they? Today, we're putting AI-driven home valuations to the test, breaking down what they get right, where they go wrong, and whether you should trust them when buying or selling a home. AI-powered home valuations use massive amounts of data, recent sales, square footage, neighborhood trends, and market conditions to estimate a home's value. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. Lack of detail. AI can't see inside your home. It doesn't know if you just renovated your kitchen or if your neighbor's house has an outdated interior. 2. Market shifts. AI relies on past sales, but real estate moves fast. A sudden interest rate change or local development project can throw off estimates. 3. Neighborhood nuances. Two homes on the same street can have different values based on their lot size, views, or school district, but AI may not recognize these factors. Despite their flaws, AI valuations can be a good starting point. They give you a general price range, but they should never replace a professional evaluation. If you're buying or selling, always compare AI estimates with insights from a real estate expert. At lifestylevideos.com, we're working on smarter AI tools that go beyond basic estimates, incorporating real-time market trends and property insights to give home buyers and sellers more accurate data. Want to see where AI real estate is headed? Sign up at lifestylevideos.com for exclusive updates.